This is page 26, and it's going to combine multiplying and adding. So before we do that, let's quick review by doing number 7. We have 3 square root of 6 minus 4 square root of 6. A lot of you forget that sign. Don't forget that. Well, 3 minus 4 is negative 1. Negative 1 square root of 6. Then we have square root of 7 plus 5 square root of 7. Those are like radicals. So remember, this is 1. So there's nothing there. So 6 plus 6 square roots of 7. Alright, so there's a nice little review. Now we're going to use that distributive property. Remember, if we have a number outside and it's multiplying our parenthesis, we can distribute it. A times B, right? Remember that's times, plus A times C. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to multiply. So we have square root of 2 times 10 and square root of 2 times square root of 2. I'm going to write it all out for you. Square root of 2 times 10 plus square root of 2 times square root of 2. Let's take it one piece at a time. Remember, insides and insides, outsides and outsides. Well, square root of 2 is inside and 10 is outside, so we just get 10 square roots of 2. Then on this one, 2 and 2 are inside, so we get plus square root of 4, right? 2 times 2 is 4. Now we can simplify. Well, 10 square roots of 2 doesn't simplify. So 10 square root of 2. But the square root of 4 is 2. There we go. No more like radicals. We're all done. Number 2. We're going to distribute. So 2 square roots of 7 times 4 plus 2 square roots of 7 times square root of 14. Okay, so 2 is outside, 4 is outside the radical, so we can multiply that. 8 square roots of 7 plus 2 is on the outside, and 7 and 14 are on the inside, so 7 times 14 is 98. Now we simplify as much as we can. Well, 8 square roots of 7 does not simplify, so I'm going to leave that. But 98 will simplify. We can do 98 divided by 4 does not work. 98 divided by 9 does not work. 98 divided by 16 does not work. 98 divided by, I'm going through my perfect squares, 25 does not work. 98 divided by 36. 98 divided by, well, that was 6 times 6. 7 times 7 is 49. 49. 49 and 2. So plus 2 square roots of 49 and 2. Well, the square root of 49 is 7. So we get 8 square roots of 7 plus 2 times, remember this is 7 times square root of 2. One more thing we got to clean up is 2 times 7 is 14. So 8 square roots of 7 plus 14 square roots of 2. Now, it was kind of long, but the process is still not that bad. Okay, hopefully at this point we're good at multiplying, so I don't need to write it all out. The square root of 5 times 1 is just 1 square root of 5. And the square root of 5 times the square root of 25 minus the square root of 5 times 25. Well, I can break that radical into 2 pieces right away. The square root of 25 is 5. 1 square root of 5 minus 5 square roots of 5. Notice I made this 5. Square root of 25 is 5, and then because it's multiplication, I put this first. It's fine. Then I have a like radical. 1 square root of 5 minus 5 square roots of 5. Well, 1 minus 5 is negative 4. So I have negative 4 square roots of 5. And last but not least, square root of 3 times negative 5 is negative 5 square roots of 3. Because I'm multiplying, I can flip the order. Square root of 3 times negative 2 square roots of 6. Well, 2's on the outside. I'm going to say minus 2. 3 times 6 is 18. Negative 2 square roots of 18. Well, I'm going to try and simplify that 18. Well, I can. 18 can be simplified into 9 and 2. When I simplify, I'm going to rewrite all my other stuff. Negative 5 square roots of 3 minus 2 times, well, square root of 9 is 3 square roots of 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6, so I get negative 5 square roots of 3 minus 6 square roots of 2.